The Janasena Party JSP is set to mark its 12th foundation day with a massive plenary at Chitrada village in Pittapuram Assembly constituency on Friday. Spanning 25 acres at Jai Ketanam venue will showcase the local history and culture, featuring 3 main gates named after prominent figures from Pittapuram region. The first gate has been named after Rao Venkatakumara Mahapati Surya Rao Bahadur, the Maharaja of Pittapuram, known for his rich contribution to education and welfare. The second gate has been dedicated to Dokka Sitamma, revered for her commitment to feeding the hungry. The third gate has been named after Malladi Satyalingam Naikar, a philanthropist and educationist. The JSP leadership has asserted that this gesture aims to honor the legacy and inspire the future generations.
बहुत दिनों सुंदर पुणितला पवन कल्याण అనే నేను ఈ రాజకీయ చోదరులను నిలదీయడానికి జనసేన పార్టీ పెట్టారు. జనసేన మీ సేన, సామాన్యుల సేన, మన భారతదేశపు సేన. అధపాతాళానికి తొక్కకపోతే నా పేరు పవన్ కళ్యాణే కాదు, నా పార్టీ జనసేనే కాదు. కొణిదెల పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ అనే నేను